Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials for you each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about how to add a phone number to your account, and also I'm going to talk about the qualities of a good Instagram profile by HubSpot. So at first, let's start with how to add a phone number to your account. Sometimes when you add an Instagram account, or if you're having trouble connecting your account, Gramista may show you the following message. Instagram needs you to add a phone number to your account, and Gramista will automatically continue once added. So Instagram needs to verify your account via your phone number, and here's how. At first, log into your Instagram and go to your profile. You can just see my profile here. And then tap Edit Profile. You can see that Edit Profile in the middle of the screen, and tap Edit Profile. And then from there you need to select Personal Information Settings and tap that. And then you can just see my email and my phone number. And from there you need to write your phone number, and then you need to tap done from there. You can just see the done icon here at the top of the screen, and tap done, and then that's it. And Instagram needs you to verify your phone with them after you add it. And when this is complete, you can add your Instagram account to Gramista dashboard. You can also update your profile information from the web. Gramista provides that message as a service because the applications having trouble verifying your account, and many VoIP services do not work with Instagram. Unfortunately, we have no control over this. And two-factor authentication may require you to enter and verify your phone, including every time you log in. And I recommend leaving this setting off while using Gramista. I hope it's helpful for you. And another thing I'm gonna talk about is the qualities of a good and perfect Instagram profile. With 500 million daily users and more than 80% of Instagram accounts following a business account, it's crucial that marketers include Instagram as a part of their social media marketing strategy. And it all starts with your Instagram profile. The best Instagram profiles have a few things in common, including easily identifiable usernames, a recognizable profile picture, a steady stream of Instagram stories and photos, an informative but delightful bio, a link to a relevant landing page or campaign, and more. And let's learn about that. I'll just arrange it there. My photo here. Yep. Sorry for the delay, but yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah, let's go on. And the qualities of a perfect Instagram profile. A public profile. By default, your Instagram profile will be public, meaning anyone in the world can view your profile and post on Instagram. If you're creating an Instagram profile for business, then that's what you want. You want anyone to be able to view your posts and follow your brand if they want to. Otherwise, if you keep your profile private, anyone who visits your profile won't be able to view your photos, which could deter them from following you. So, to ensure your profile is public, open Options, the gear button on iOS and or three dots on Android, and make sure private account is turned off. And recognizable and searchable at username. Start by making sure your username is recognizable and easily searchable like your business name. If your business name is already taken as a username, try keeping your business name as the first part of your username so that people searching for your business are more likely to come across your account. For example, the Australian activewear line Lorna Jane uses the username at Lorna Jane Active. To edit your username, go to your profile page and click the Edit Profile button to the right of your profile photo. And next, click on the text or open space to the right of the person icon and enter your desired username and easily searchable business name. Next, make sure to add your full business name to the name section of your profile, and this will appear under your profile picture and under your username in search. And to edit your business name, go to your profile page and click Edit Profile. Then click on the text or open space beside the clipboard icon at the top and enter your desired business name. And on brand Instagram profile picture. Your profile photo is one of the first things people see when they visit your Instagram profiles. So it's displayed prominently in the top right hand corner. It should be something easily recognizable, something that's on brand with your other social networks. For most companies, this will be your company logo. And now notice that HubSpot's profile photo in the image above is a circle. That wasn't our choice. Instagram actually crops your profile photo into a circle when you upload it to the app. And you don't have to create the circle image yourself. In fact, since you'll have to crop your photo into a circle in the app, and you'll ideally want to upload a square photo with your logo in the center and place so that the corners of the photo can be cut off without a problem. For reference, keep in mind the minimum profile picture size for Instagram is 110x 110 pixels, a perfect square. Don't deviate too far from this minimum and staying below 200x 200 is encouraged so users don't see a blurry or stretched photo when visiting your profile page. And in the example you'll see the corners are shaded, meaning Instagram will cut them off in the actual profile photo. You can move that circle around or pinch to zoom until it's cropped just the way you like it. And to add or change a profile photo, go to your profile page and click Edit Profile. Then tap Edit in the top right. This will appear under your current profile photo if you have one. And from there you can import a photo from Facebook or Twitter or choose one from your library, and we don't recommend taking a new one on the spot. Also consider the seasonal trends that take place over the course of the year, and don't be afraid to alter your image temporarily to honor a monthly theme. For example, because June is Pride Month, HubSpot gave their logo a temporary color change, and here's what it currently looks like on desktop. And for example, some cool Instagram profile pictures. This Instagram, which highlights different cats on Instagram, hosts a profile picture which looks like that of a hipster cat. And the other one at JetBlue, unlike most brands on Instagram, it shares a unique but on-brand color pattern rather than just their logo. Another one, it has a logo that features lipstick dripping off of voluminous lips, shook up its main image with some added holiday flavor. By simply adding a Santa hat to the lips, the company instantly looked more festive. And delightful, actionable, informative bio. Like your profile photo, your bio is one of the first things visitors to your profile will see. You have a maximum of 150 characters and use them to let people know what you're about and give them a reason to follow you. Include who you are and what you do, and be sure to add a hint of personality. And you can see an example on the picture here, and just like that. And the other one is a trackable link in your bio that you change regularly. One of the biggest frustrations people have with Instagram, especially businesses, is that it isn't exactly a great platform for driving traffic away from the app to a website, a Twitter page, or somewhere else. That's because clickable URLs aren't allowed anywhere except a single website box in your bio. That's why you'll want to add a link to the website box in your business Instagram bio, and this makes it easier for people to go straight from Instagram to your website, blog, or a specific campaign. So engage users by updating that URL frequently to point to your latest blog content, YouTube video, product, or offer. For example, are you running a contest or want to increase subscribers to your blog? Just change the link and then post a photo that mentions the new link in its caption. And just like that, I think I'll just talk about these ones. And what do you think about the qualities of a good profile, good Instagram profile, and which qualities does an Instagram profile have? Just let me know in the comments below. I think that's it for now. And thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all in another video very soon. Bye.